Hello and welcome. Today we have Palak Kudyar with us. Palak, first of all, we would like to congratulate you for clearing your UGC NET exam in 2019 December. Um, I would like to know how do you feel about such an achievement?
First of all, thank you so much. And yes, it feels great that when you start preparing for an exam, finally, when you see like your hard work finally comes in a good way, so it feels great. Thank you.
Palak, tell us a little bit more about yourself. Where are you from, about your education, and about your future endeavors.
Basically, I'm from Udhampur in Jammu Kashmir, and I have done my schooling from Udhampur. And after that, I did my BTech from Sri Mata Vaishno Devi University, Katra. And after that, I did my MBA in Marketing and Operations from the Business School, Jammu University. And then I cleared my NET exam in my third attempt with 99.6 percentile score.
Palak, did you feel a change in the number of opportunities you received after you cleared your UGC NET exam? You had a year. So did you see a number of changes in the opportunities that were coming your way now?
Yes, I think clearing this exam, basically, I don't really have the knowledge about this exam. When I was in my MBA days, so I came to know about this NET exam. So one thing came in my mind, like I have to clear this. But after clearing this NET exam, I know that I can do well in this teaching field, like in this field, in this assistant professor, or if you want to do PhD or JRF, so you need this NET exam. Also, if you are doing an MBA, so you should clear a competitive exam also to see whether you stand in that way or not. So it's that.
Palak, I would like to ask, do you have any tips that you would like to share with students who are going to appear for the upcoming test?
Basically, when I started for preparing this exam, I was very new. So मुझे कोई इतनी knowledge थी नहीं इस exam के बारे में कैसे करना है. So in my first 2 attempts, I was not able to succeed only because I was not following the proper strategy. So then after the third attempt, I came to know about this Human Paretus Institute. Frankly, मुझे कुछ idea ही नहीं था Human Paretus के बारे में पहले. So मैंने इंटरनेट पे जितना हो सका इसके बारे में पढ़ा, like Human Paretus के बारे में जितनी मुझे knowledge हुई. सो मुझे याद है मैंने कॉल भी करी थी आपके एक एग्जीक्यूटिव से, उनसे बात भी करी थी फोन में, एंड ही वाज सो काइंड. उन्होंने मुझे कन्विंस किया कि लाइक गो फॉर इट, आप ऑर्डर करो हमारा मटेरियल. सो जब मैंने मटेरियल देखा, सो फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में जब मैंने ऊपर से मटेरियल को देखा तो मटेरियल वाज सो गुड. एक कॉन्फिडेंस उसी टाइम आ गया था कि यस, अगर इस मटेरियल को मैं प्रॉपरली पढ़ूंगी लाइक 3 to 4 months, तो डेफिनेटली आई वुड बी एबल टू क्रैक दिस. सो मैं यही बोलूंगी कि प्रॉपर स्ट्रैटेजी के साथ साथ प्रॉपर सोर्सेज होना भी बहुत जरूरी है. लाइक जरूरी नहीं है मोटा मोटी बुक्स पढ़ के ही एग्जाम क्लियर होता है, ऐसा नहीं है. प्रॉपर सोर्सेज उठाओ, अच्छे से रिवाइज करो, और पूरा सिलेबस करने के पीछे भी नहीं भागना चाहिए. लाइक प्रॉपरली चीजों को रिवाइज करो, जितना हो सके उतने मॉक्स दो. लाइक स्पेशली मैं थैंक यू बोलूंगी पूरी टीम ऑफ ह्यूमन पेरेटस को, क्योंकि जो इनके ऑनलाइन टेस्ट थे वो इतने अमेजिंग थे. लाइक मुझे लगता है कि अप्रोक्सीमेटली 1000+ क्वेश्चंस तो उसमें थे ही थे. सो दे वर अमेजिंग. सो हर एक को मॉक्स ऑनलाइन टेस्ट जितने हो सके उतने सॉल्व करो, तो डेफिनेटली यू विल बी एबल टू क्रैक दिस.
Well, Palak, you actually did point out few key terms to clear the paper, not just UGC NET exam, but any paper for that matter. Consistency and dedication and focus. That's what you said. Giving the papers, be consistent to exercising, to revision, to dedicate yourself to your preparation. These are some key points to clear not just UGC exam, but any paper that you're preparing for. Although I have this really last question for you, Palak. Thus, do you have anything that you would like to tell the students to specifically avoid while preparing for an exam like this?
Yes, I think all the things you have said is quite natural. ये सबके साथ ही होता है. किसी ना किसी दिन you lose your hope कि आज नहीं हो सकता है. Like demotivation तो जरूर आती है. But I would like to share my experience कि जितना पॉजिटिव हो सके उतना पॉजिटिव रहो. ऐसा बहुत बार ऐसा होगा कि लाइक मैं भी जितनी बार भी कोई लाइक मॉक टेस्ट देना या कुछ देना, मार्क्स कम जरूर आते हैं. बट दैट डजंट मीन कि आप नहीं कर सकते हो. So never underestimate yourself. जितना positive हो सको उतना positive रहो, and proper strategy follow करो. Like 6 to 7 hours a day is more than sufficient to study for this exam, and 3 to 4 months you will definitely do it.
These were some useful and insightful words from you, Palak. Again, I would say thank you so much, Palak, for joining me today. It was really, really great talking to you. I would say congratulations for clearing your paper, and all the best for all your future endeavors. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you so much. Thank you.